Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue grill brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need some kind of brownie mix, any kind you like, and just whatever it calls for on the back to make those. Mine is a half a cup of oil, 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of water. Then you're going to need, of course, a muffin tin with, I got these little foil liners just because I think that would be cute for the grill to, you know, like aluminum foil on your grill. Then you need some sanding sugar. You're going to sprinkle that on and it's going to just, you know, look like the fire embers from your grill. And then our little adorable grill decorations, our food. So I have hot tamales here that are going to be the hot dogs, and then I have these caramel creams that I kind of shaped into like pork chops, steak, whatever. And then we need some black writing gel because you're going to make little grill marks on the food and on the actual brownie itself. And then my little adorable kabobs, I just cut up gummy bears. So I just cut them up with scissors and then put them on toothpicks to look like little yummy kabobs. So that is all you need for this recipe, and it's going to be adorable. So go ahead and prepare your brownie mix per the back of the box. Alright, my oven is preheating to 350, and I just sprayed all my little muffin tins, and then I just mixed my brownie mix together. So if you get the same one that I did, it was only 2 eggs and not 3. And I did use olive oil, so it gives it a little bit of a different taste, but you can use vegetable, canola, whatever kind of oil you want. So I am going to go ahead and fill up my muffin tins, probably about 2/3 of the way full. Okay, my muffin cups are all filled up. You can see it's about 2/3 of the way. I just used all of my mix to make these 12. So I'm going to go ahead and stick those in the oven for about 20 minutes. I am going to check them at about 15 though. Alright, I just got my little brownie cups out of the oven after 15 minutes, and then I just sprinkled them with my orange sanding sugar, and now I'm going to stick them back in the oven for the last 5 minutes. Okay, my little grills have finally come out of the oven. They probably cooked a total of about 25 minutes. Just keep an eye on yours. And mine were a little poofy when they got out, so after they cooled off for about a minute or two, I just kind of like smushing them down a little bit. But I really like the way they are cracked because now it really looks like some kind of like grill or volcano looking thing. So we are going to let these cool for about 10 minutes and remove them from the pan into a cooling rack to cool completely. Alright, all of my brownie cups have cooled, so I just opened up my gel, and you just snip off the end with scissors and just made lines. So it looks like a grill here. They don't look like hamburgers, but they really look, you know, you can see the orange little fire in there. Next, we are just going to go ahead and decorate with all of our little food here, and if you want, probably on my hot dogs, I'm going to make some grill lines. That's probably all. You can make more, but I just squirted out some of my writing gel on here, and I'm just going to do that with a toothpick. So stay tuned. Alright, my little barbecue grilled brownies are all ready to go. And you can see they just look so adorable. The little shish kebabs, the little pork chops, the hot dogs that have the grill marks in them. Everything just looks so cute. I can't wait to see what taste tester thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a taste.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back. See us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.